Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to perform addition and subtraction of these rational numbers. So let's perform it. Here we are having first problem 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus of 7 by 8. These rational number we need to add up or sum up. So first of all we'll observe that here 4, 6, 8 are the three unequal denominators. So we'll first make them equal by taking out their LCM. So first 4, 6, 8 will take out the LCM. With 2's table we'll divide them. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are. Again we'll go with the 2's table. 2 1s are here 3 as it is 2 2s are. So now you can multiply these and these. 2 2s are 4. Here 4 3s are 12. 2s are 24. So LCM is 24. So now just friends we'll try to make this 24 as these denominator. So let's start. First of all we need to multiply this 4 with some number so that we'll get a 24. So here we know that 4 6 are 24 is there. Next 5 by 6. We need to convert this 6 into 24, so we'll make it by multiplying 6 4s are. Then here plus minus of 7 by 8. So this plus and minus it become minus. So we'll directly write here minus 7 by 8 into we'll do 3s are. So that 8 3s are 24 we'll get. Now we'll take out the product of numerator. 6 3s are 18 divided by 6 4s are 24 plus here 5 4s are 20 divided by again 24 minus, friends here plus minus this will minus is there. So 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Observe this stage, you get all the denominators equal. So we'll write the denominator once and we need to write down the operations of the numerator. 18 plus 20 minus of 21. So 18 plus 20 what will get 38 minus 21 upon 24. Friends just do the subtraction. Subtract 21 from 38. We get 17 upon 24. So this is your final answer. Now let's move to this one problem 2 by 3 plus minus of 5 by 6 plus minus of 7 by 9. So your 3, 6 and 9 will take out the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. So we'll choose 3 to divide here. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Now we'll multiply 2 3s are 6 3s are 18. So friends LCM is 18. Now we'll convert this 3, 6 and 9 into this 18. So just write down 2 by 3. 3 6 are 18. So we'll multiply by 6 in the numerator and denominator. Friends plus minus here minus will get 5 by 6. Again 6 3s are 18. So we'll divide and multiply by 3. Plus minus here minus will write minus 7 by 9. And 9 that you need to multiply with 2 to get 18. Now perform numerators product. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are here 18 you will get minus 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are you will get 18 minus 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Friends observe this. Now you get equal denominator. Write down the denominator once and perform the operation of the numerator. When you have these kind of situation, start from the left hand side. Here 12 minus 15. One positive integer, one negative integer will perform a subtraction. Will remove the smaller number from the bigger. That is 12 minus 15 means you need to subtract it. You will get 3. And the sign of bigger number, that is minus. And then write down this minus 14 upon 18. So friends here both are of the negative integers. Perform addition and give the sign of minus. Minus 3 minus 14 you need to add them. That is you will get a 17 and common sign is of minus. Minus 17 upon 18. So this is your final answer. Friends now we'll go for this question. Here 2, 6 and 8. We'll take LCM of 2, 6 and 8 because all are unequal denominator. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, and here we'll get 2 4s are 8. Now just multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Friends LCM is 24. So now we'll convert this minus 11 by 2 We need to get here 24 denominator, so multiply by 12. This you have to do in mind, that is 12 2s are 24. Plus 7 by 6. Friends, we get 7 by 6, that is 6 4s are 24. And here we are having minus 5 by 8. So plus minus 5 by 8. And we get here, to get a 24 you need to multiply by 3. Now 11 into 12. What you will get, friend? Minus of 132. 11 2s are 22. 2 carry, 11 1s are, and then 12 2s are 24. Plus 7 4s are 28. Again 24. Minus 15 upon 24. Friends, observe here all are the equal denominator. Write 24 once. And now you need to write minus of 132 plus 28 minus 15. Observe here from the left hand side, one negative integer, one positive integer. Will do the subtraction of these two first. So subtract smaller number from the bigger number. We'll remove 28 from 132. You get 104. Sign of bigger number, that is a minus sign will get. Then minus 15 you copy as it is. Now both are of the negative integer, just sum of them. What you will get? Minus here 119 upon 24. So friends, now it is improper, so numerator is greater. So what we'll do, we'll just divide it by 24. 24 4s are what is there, friends? 96. Then what left? 23 upon 24. So this is your final answer. Now we'll go for these two problems, friends. Here 5, 10 and 15 are the unequal denominator. We'll first take out the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. So here we'll go with the 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are. Now just multiply. 3 2s are 6, 5s are 30. So here LCM is 30. Now friends, we need to just convert these denominators into this 30. So we'll write first minus 4 by 5. 5 6s will get a 30. You need to divide this 30 by this 5. Plus minus, here you will get minus 7 by 10. Here 30 divided by 10 you will get a 3. So multiply and divide by 3 to get a 30 in the denominator. Plus minus minus of 8 by 15. Now 30 divided by 15 you will get a 2. So 2 by 2. Friends, 6 4s are minus 24. 5 6s are 30. Minus 7 3s are, here you will get 21. Here 10 3s are 30. Minus 8 2s are 16 upon 30. Observe at this stage you get a all equal denominator 30. Write down the denominator once. And you need to do the operation in the numerator. So just first start from the left hand side. Minus 24 minus of 21. So you need to just add them. After adding, what you will get? Minus of 45. And then minus 16 as it is. So friends, here again you get a same. Minus of 45, minus of 16. You need to add both and give the common sign minus. After adding, you will get minus of 61 upon 30. So you can convert it into the mixed one. 32s are 60. 1 by 30. This is your final answer. Now moving to this question, here minus of 9 by 10 plus 22 upon 15 plus 13 upon minus 20. Friends, here observe, here denominator contains a negative sign. You can shift this minus sign to upside also. So here first of all we'll find out the LCM of this 10, 15 and this 20. Minus sign you can shift up. You can give that minus sign upside also. So friend, here just find out the LCM. 5 2s are, 5 3s are and 5 4s are. Again you will go with the 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. Now just multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60. So LCM is, friend, here 60 is there. Now I want to make these denominator convert into 60. So minus 9 by 10. Friends, you need to do this mentally, that In mental maths you have to do that, but 60 you multiply by 10, so you will get a 6. So you need to multiply 6 by 6. Plus 22 upon 15. 15 4s are 60 is there, children. So you write down this. Minus sign I'll shift upside, so it will go here. And then 13 upon 20. And 23s are here, 60 you will get. Friends, numerator multiply minus 9 6 are 54 upon 60 plus 88 upon 60 minus 33s are 13 3s are, that is 39 upon 60. Observe this stage, you get all the denominator equal, write down denominator once and just perform the operation of the numerators. Starting from the left hand side, here first one negative integer, one positive integer, you will perform the subtraction. So remove the 54 from 88. What you will get? 34. And that is of positive 34 you will get, friends, because here 88 is bigger number. Minus 39 upon 60 you will get. Observe here, 34 minus 39. One positive integer you will remove from a negative integer. So do it. Here you will get 5, and that is of minus of 5, because bigger number sign is of minus. Minus 5 by 60. You can divide it. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, and then 5 twos are 10. So minus 1 upon 12. This is your final answer. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.